Welcome to the Excel portion of problem 13, specifically part A. So in the Excel, because this one's a little different, I'm going to show you right from the start. Obviously, we're selecting aggregate planning. 4 periods. The periods are quarters. And one of the things you're going to have to change for this problem is it allows for backlog. So it allows for negative inventory. You don't have lost sales. We go OK. I'll fill in these numbers. So I'll copy from a previous attempt at this problem. So I'll fill this in. These numbers simply come from the information given in the question. We have no initial inventory, and we have 1,500 units were our previous quarter's production. We have the demand of 1,400, 1,200, 1,300, and 1,500. You know, I usually pre-populate this. Production is chase, so I could actually just copy this and copy it down. And I'll widen the columns here. Not that I have to, but it just makes it easier to read because we're interested in the total. So I wind up with 214,000, which is the same as the solution in the Word document. So chase strategy is pretty simple because you only have hiring and layoff costs. You don't have any inventory. There's no subcontracting, no shortages, etc. So I'm going to copy this sheet. So I'm going to make a copy of sheet number 6. I'm going to rename it if that helps. I'm going to problem 11. What I'm going to change is this. 1350 now becomes your production. And voila, it calculates a total of 180,000 for you. So you do not need to do it by hand unless you choose to. But it's much faster to do it this way. But be careful, especially on this particular problem. It hasn't come up before, but it allows for back orders or backlog. And so that's what you have to make sure that at the front screen, that's why on some of the previous ones I didn't show you that, and this one I did. So hopefully you found that useful. Just as a little aside class, this is the first time we're using the Excel OM software in chapter 13, and I'm hoping that it makes your life a whole lot easier and your marks go up.